What's up, guys? We got a 2020 Platinum F-250. We end up installing the linker unit alarm system with the alert on the phone. To arm it, you're gonna hit lock here. It's gonna give you a chirp and it'll tell you the doors are locked and the alarm is on. Disarm it. I'm gonna hit disarm here. That unlocks the doors, turns off the alarm. This button here will remote start the vehicle. Okay. It will tell you that the truck is running by remote control. Okay. That will be 30 minutes going backwards. It's got the battery voltage here of the vehicle and the signal of the actual unit inside the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and disable it, turn off the truck. That turns it off. So virtually you can remote start it anywhere in the world. You do not need an extra phone plan or nothing. The unit hooks up to the server. Okay. To track it, you hit down here and then you hit the icon, and it will tell you where the car is at. But for security reasons, I'm not going to show location. I'm going to go ahead and arm it. Okay. I'm going to leave the phone on standby. I'm going to go ahead and set off the alarm. Okay, the alert came in, but what happened is I touched the screen. It's a push notification. Get the okay, yeah, it's going to be a push notification. We'll do it again. We'll fire it off because what happened is I touched the screen and canceled the push notification. But from the factory remote, give you guys it will interact with my alarm system, so you don't have to carry another fob around. And then to disarm it, you hit it here, and that will turn off my alarm. If you notice that blue light on the top, so yeah, you don't have to carry my fob around or anything like that. So yeah, that's what's great about it. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And this is on 2020 F-250. We do have mobile service. If you're out of state, you give us a call and we'll let you know where you can get this done. So yeah, that's basically how the unit works. It has the phone that will send you the alert on your phone anytime the alarm fires off. It has GPS. You can arm and disarm it from your phone. The whole 9 yards. I'm going to go ahead and set it off again. Okay. That's what you're gonna get. And what's nice about this is if you have your phone on vibrate for other notifications that you don't want to be bothered at night, the app does overwrite the fact that you left the phone on vibrate, so it will still sound off. You can adjust the volume how loud you want it on the app. This alarm was installed here, Miami, Florida, by Auto Alarm Specialist. We thank you for watching this video, and the numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.